All right guys, you hear us talk quite a bit when we're referring to our seam sealers as far as making a nice tight seal to the surface, and some of the tricks that we've used, whether it be brush strokes, ripple beads, caterpillar beads, and how we accomplish that so that we have a good tight seal. This is going to help us prevent, air transfer amongst the vehicle, but more importantly, water and corrosion being intruded into our repair prematurely. As long as we're following the proper procedures here, we shouldn't have any problems. One of the things that we're going to do here to represent that is, as you can see, I've laid out some beads. And what we're trying to show you here is the importance of making sure that when we're putting these down, that we're actually not getting air pockets, that we're not laying the material on the surface, that it's actually being put into the substrate itself. This could be aluminum, could be steel, could be fiberglass, whatever it is that you're working on. So as you can see here, I have some beads laid out, and how we're going to show you this. By showing you the seal that we have underneath the seam sealers once we have them applied. Now, for those of you that might have questions, yes, all these seam sealers are currently wet. They have not fully cured yet. We did this for a reason. Once they're fully cured, we know that we're going to have adhesion to the surface. So we wanted to show you that even from the get-go, we've got this taken care of. We want you to feel comfortable using our products as much as we want you to feel comfortable replicating OEM beads. Using our products and that method put together can ensure a proper repair each and every time. For more information on our seam sealers and our best practices, check out 3M Collision Repair Academy on our website. The link for that is in the description below. Also, check out some of the other videos we have here on our page. If you hit subscribe and the notification bell over here in the corner, that'll keep you up to date as we're releasing new content, new videos to keep you up on today's best practices in the industry. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up. Also throw a comment in the section down below. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.